Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to come back and check out my new video. So today, I've got an unboxing and review for you of the UM-900 microphone set from Uhuru. So to be completely honest, I've never heard of this company before, but from what they tell me, they're a fairly new company. And I'm always excited to test and check out new and more affordable alternatives when it comes to hardware and equipment. So stay tuned and we'll see what this package set has to offer. So before we begin, I just wanted to share with you a bit of trivia that was shared to me by the company when they sent me this package. Did you know that Uhuru means freedom in Swahili? Well, if not, then we all learned something new today. Anyways, this microphone set from Uhuru comes as a complete starter package, which saves you the trouble of having to buy all the various components separately. And in total, it also costs a lot less than the gear from established companies and their competitors. This bundle includes a condenser cardioid studio microphone with a 16mm diaphragm, which records up to 192 kHz at 24-bit, and it's available on Amazon for only $65. As you can see, it's packaged in a very durable box, and this package has some weight to it. The hardware is protected by a form-fitting foam shell. So what's included in the box is a pop filter that's very durable and is made with pretty tough plastic material with a bendable metal arm. Also included is a windscreen cap cover that's pretty thick. And of course an instruction manual that shows the specifications, the instructions on setting this mic up, and how to use the microphone in a few different languages. The package also includes the microphone boom arm with a connector, and this feels very solid and durable. This also includes a shock mount that also feels very durable. And also a table clip that you can connect to the boom arm so you can secure it to the table. You also get the mic itself, which is light but feels very solid. And a 98-inch USB Type A to Type B cable with a Velcro cable management cable tie. And who can forget the silicone balls that are included with the package to keep it safe and moisture free. So what I noticed when I was trying to set this up was that the bolt does not secure in place when the boom arm is inserted. When the boom arm is taken out, I can easily screw this in and secure it in place. However, when I place the boom arm, it will not secure, no matter how much pressure I apply. It just continues to spin and does not lock in place. So, a manufacturing issue, but definitely not a showstopper. So what I like most about this package is not only is it affordable at $65, but it's an all-in-one package that includes everything you'll need to get started. And again, at a price that's very affordable. How good it works though, compared to other more expensive and well-known brands? Let's find out. So I'd probably have to say that this microphone is potentially ideal for podcast streaming and making YouTube videos and all other kinds of recording related activities. And at its current price point, it's something that can easily be targeted for new users like myself and more experienced users. The mic itself has a matte black body and a silver mesh frame that covers the microphone diaphragm. And unlike other condenser mic that I've tried and reviewed on this channel previously, such as the G-Track Pro and the Fifine K678, there are no controls, knobs, or buttons on this microphone, which leads me to believe that this is best for recording audio in situations where the microphone needs to be near or within range of your mouth. This is also not a bi-directional mic, so it's best if you're facing the front of the mic when you're speaking, which you can easily tell since the front of the mic has the Uhuru logo on it. On the bottom of the mic itself is a USB-B connector, which you can connect to all of your devices using the included USB cable. I assume this mic is targeted towards streamers and gamers who plan to connect this directly to their PCs. So as someone who records directly to my camera or a separate audio device, it would have been nice to have included at least a USB-B to 3.5mm microphone plug, or at least an adapter. But that's not to say that I can't use this while I'm editing videos or even doing voiceovers. As for audio quality and performance, let's see how it sounds as I switch from my current audio setup to the Uhuru UM-900 microphone, which is what I will use for the rest of this video. This is what the mic sounds like without any type of audio editing or adjustments, and all settings on my PC are set to the default. So as you can see, I have the mic secured to my table using the included desk clamp, the adjustable boom arm, and the shock mount. The boom arm itself is fairly light and also comes in a matte black color, but don't let that weight fool you. It feels pretty durable and sturdy. It has a gold tip connector where you can connect the shock mount, which also comes in a matte black finish and feels pretty solid. So when set up, the boom arm and shock mount can be adjusted in a number of different positions to fit whatever arrangement is comfortable for you. But because I typically like to have a microphone out of the way and not obstructing my face when recording videos, I'd probably need to mount this mic a little bit differently. So I'm currently using just the mic itself without the windscreen cap or pop cover to test how it works and how different it sounds. So without the cover, let's see how good this filters out the ambient sounds, as well as the plosives, which are the P's, the B's, and the T sounds that can cause an explosion of air when speaking directly into the mic. So for example, Peter picked a pack of pickled peppers, and now this is what it sounds like with the windscreen cap. Peter picked a pack of pickled peppers. And finally, with the pop cover. Peter picked a pack of pickled peppers. The windscreen cap is your typical thin foam covering that fits securely over the mesh section of the mic. And the pop cover is a pretty solid matte black plastic cover with a flexible and adjustable aluminum arm, which allows you to connect it to the boom arm. Now, as far as audio quality from various distances, you can clearly hear what it sounds like up close. But how does it sound at various distances? So I'm currently only a few inches away, so the sound is probably clear, crisp, and audible. But how about if I was to step a couple of feet back? This is the audio quality for the Uhuru UM-900 from a few feet away. Or what if I was to step even further back? This is the quality of the Uhuru UM-900 from even farther away. So yeah, I don't think this is the microphone you would want if you're trying to record audio from a long distance. But then again, that probably isn't the audience that this microphone is catering to. So going over the pros and cons, starting with the pros. The first pro, of course, is the price point. For what you get and the quality of the microphone, it's definitely worth investing in, especially if you're new and on a tight budget. Second, which is similar to the first point, it comes with everything you need to get started. For me, that's convenient, knowing that every component fits perfectly and works well together. You don't need to worry about buying the mic and then spending an extra $20 to $40 on accessories you aren't sure will even fit. The next pro, I would say, is the build quality. Every component from the mic to the accessories feels solid, with the exception of the screws, which I had to play around with to get them to work very well. However, I will have to test the durability and the longevity over time just to be certain. Now for the cons. The biggest con, of course, is that there aren't any knobs or controls, such as a mute button for you to independently adjust the gain volume or silence the microphone. All of that needs to be done using your PC or in post. The second con, again, goes back to my use case, which is recording directly to my camera and audio device. I would have liked for this to come with a 3.5mm adapter, or even a cable to allow me to connect it to other devices other than my PC, or maybe just an adapter. But then again, that is only a small concern, and it's only my opinion. The third thing, of course, were the screws. Not a big deal, and probably not the case for every single mic that's sent out, but mine were a little difficult to adjust and I had to make some adjustments. But those by far aren't deal breakers, and for the money, I think they're all things that I could do without, or even work around with. So overall, I think this is a great all-in-one solution for people who are just starting out and want to buy something that works great, includes everything they need to get started, and is sold at an affordable and an amazing price. So what do you guys think? Leave me a message in the comments section below and let me know what you think about the quality of the sound. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, you can grab one for $65 at Amazon using the link in the description section below. But before you do that, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to also ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. I'd really appreciate your support. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.